For the torments will slay me, thinking so worthy. Prized body, do not be so changeable to me. Your bright face and the fresh color and the fair sweet laughter, for which love slays me. For paradise I would not wish to have better, if only I were brought close with you under the coverlet. Now I speak folly, for I go too far. So if it pleased you that I were your lover, I would have fulfilled all my desires. So sweet friend, may it not be harm to me. If I have spoken over boldly, for I have languished so badly, so I cry to you, mercy humbly, that a little of fair discernment you might have for me. For since I saw your fair body, sweet and pleasing, I did not part from it. Rather I served you with good heart loyally. So if love slays me thus for you, it will never look well for you. For never did I part, nor did I give up doing your command. Served and thanked I have you at all times, captive and conquered, so that I can